We're driving through town here in Burlington, Vermont, and we hear about a place that was a Mexican restaurant for like 40 years. And then it becomes this barbecue place, and it's got a really funny name. Wait a second, that sounds just like a Triple D joint to me. This is Bluebird Barbecue.
Brisket's looking really good.
The barbecue here is absolutely fantastic.
Half chicken with coleslaw and collard greens.
Every time I'm here, there's something different, and it's always executed to perfection.
It's the best I've had in New England.
And it was one of the first barbecue joints in Vermont when owner Sue Betty opened in 2012. And now she's got Dan Mealy on board as the pit master. What kind of barbecue are we doing?
We do a regional American barbecue.
And then outside of that, you do fusion, other stuff.
Yes. Poutine with brisket.
Favorite thing on the menu?
I think I'm eating it. The wings.
Pitmaster wings coming up right now.
The chicken is just really juicy. The white sauce that comes with them is fantastic.
All right, let's get into the wings.
We're gonna make our Pitmaster rub. Brown sugar, kosher salt, chili powder, fresh ground black
There
pepper.
you go. Now, wait a second. I want everybody to look at this. All gray, looks like gravel. This fresh ground black pepper is key.
Garlic powder and onion powder.
Okay?
So we got our wings right here, and then mix that with cayenne pepper hot sauce. Let that marinate for at least an hour, and then right to the smoker. 250 for 2 hours.
And what are we smoking with?
Oak, maple, and
Plywood.
hickory.
What do we serve these with?
Alabama white barbecue sauce. Water, rice wine vinegar, sugar, ginger, chili powder, garlic cloves, gochujang.
We're in the middle of the race.
Mayonnaise, we make it ourselves.
All right, let's get you the overachiever medal.
Apple cider vinegar, pitmaster rub that we made
Got it.
before, cayenne pepper, paprika, ground mustard, cumin, fresh ground black pepper, kosher salt, Worcestershire
Wash your
sauce,
sister sauce?
and then our sauce.
Yes. So that's where the extra twang is coming in.
Absolutely. This is gonna be served on the side to dip.
I'll take a side of that anytime.
Yes. Chicken wings come out, and then we'll fry to order and toss in a little bit more pitmaster rub.
I can already tell you we have an enormous problem with the amount of the twang sauce you gave me.
Oh, there's extras on the table.
Those wings aren't hot at all, I can just tell you this right now. The only thing that's wrong with smoked fried wings, too much smoke and getting dried out. And that's not a problem here. You have the right size wing to the right amount of smoke, to the right type of wood, and then you've rendered them just enough that when you fry them, a lot of the fat's cooked out, so your fry is quick and fast. The pitmaster rub at the end, and then hitting in that tangy sauce. Good kickoff, my friend.
Pitmaster wings hitting the plate.
The smokiness and the flavor really kind of hit you.
I would like an IV of Alabama white sauce.